How to share Indeed profile link. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to share Indeed profile link. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Indeed application on your device. Make sure you are logged in, and now go ahead and tap on your profile option on the bottom right of your screen. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on your resume option. You will then see 3 dots there on the top right of your screen. Tap on that and further tap on the Share a Link to My Indeed Resume option. You will now be shown with your Indeed resume link. You can now copy the link or email the link or preview the link in a new window. So, this is how you can share Indeed profile link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.